Let us clear this topic with the help of one example. We have arithmetic operators, right? Like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus, isn't it? Suppose if we have numbers like this, like 10, 5, 20, 10, 6, let it be here 3. So can you solve this? I want straight answer for this, equivalent answer for this. So when the question arrives, like if we have multiple arithmetic operators inside a single question, then how Java treat this question, like with the help of precedence and associativity. Okay, precedence means I am writing here, precedence means nothing but a priority among operators, and associative means suppose if you have like this, like if you have plus minus in a single question, like 10, 5, 6, 7, let it be, then equivalent you can find easily, because you will do operation from left to right. So same if you have like this, like 10, 5, 6, 7, if you have multiplication, division and multiplication, equivalent will be easy, because multiplication, division will give a same priority. If you do here, if you start here, if you done here, you will get the same answer. So from left to right is a better manner, isn't it? So this left to right, like this left to right order is nothing but associativity. Okay, associativity is nothing but associativity. Priority means people, this question not in only Java, most of the time we arise, like these questions are solved by using a Bodemas rule in the real time. Bodemas rule. What Bodemas rule say? The first priority for the bracket, second for off, third for division, fourth for multiplication, and fifth addition, subtraction. Like this the order will be, once again, bracket, off, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, right? So in Java there is no place for off, we have bracket, division, multiplication and subtraction, addition and subtraction. Okay, so the first priority for bracket, second for division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. But when it comes to the Java, the first priority for addition, multiplication, division and modular division. In the second priority we will get the addition and subtraction. Okay, so if we have multiple operators in the single question like this, means it will follow the left to right order, nothing but the associativity. Now using this thing for the Java, try to solve this. Now what is the question? Here we have the star, like here we have multiplication. First do this thing, like simplification of this will give the 100. So I am writing here, it is 100. So this is done, and later check for this, like 10 divided by 6 is nothing but a, so Java it treats as a like this, it will give only quotient. This thing gives only quotient, remember. 10 by 6 nothing but a 1, 1 divided by 3 is nothing but a 1 only, again 1 divided by 3 which is nothing but a 1 only. Now 10 plus 100 minus 1, nothing but the 110 minus 1 which is nothing but the 109. Now like I am removing all this, I am giving 10 plus 5 into 20 minus 10 divided by 6, modulus 3. If we done this, what will be the answer? let us see. So it is a 109. So this is all about the precedence and associativity.